Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger fan clutch. First, gather your tools, including a fan clutch wrench set and a large adjustable wrench. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any automotive repair for safety. This prevents any accidental engine starts while you are working near moving parts. Now, let's get to the fan clutch. Begin by removing the upper fan shroud. There are usually a few retaining clips and bolts holding it in place. Once these are out, carefully lift the shroud and position it so it's out of your way, giving you clear access. You'll then see the large nut that secures the fan clutch to the water pump shaft. This is where the specialized tools come in handy. Use the fan clutch wrench to firmly hold the water pump pulley in place, preventing it from spinning. With your other hand, use a large adjustable wrench to turn the fan clutch nut counterclockwise. It might be tight, so apply steady pressure. Once loosened, carefully unthread the fan clutch from the water pump shaft until it's completely free. With the fan clutch unthreaded, carefully lift the entire fan and clutch assembly out of the engine bay. Be mindful of the radiator fins to avoid damage. Before installing your new fan clutch, always give it a quick inspection for any manufacturing defects or shipping damage. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Reassembly is the reverse of removal, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.